Hello from Cheddas Auto. Today we're going to show you how to replace your door hinge bushings with our upgraded kit. First, you need to get both door hinges off the vehicle. Be careful to support the door. You can take the door off, make sure you unclip any wiring. There's also a rod that connects the door as well. You might have to push the pin out. It's a pretty simple thing to do here. Once you get this off, you can put it in a vise. And there's a snap ring right here, fairly easy to take off. You can either use a pick or a flat screwdriver and just pry it off like that. You won't need that afterwards. Hammer and a punch. Just like so. Here's the old pin. These two pieces come apart now. Now these are the original bushings. They get worn out after, a couple 100,000 miles, or even 100,000 miles, and your door starts to sag. That's one. That's two. Okay, now I'm just going to show you quickly. This is the part that I already have assembled with the new brass bushings. Each one is different from the other. One's a large hole, one's a small hole. They only fit in one spot. Once you have the old bushings out, you just take the new ones and lightly push them in with hammer or a mallet. Just be gentle. Don't damage the inside OD, because that's going to make the door open rough. They should seat nice and flush. Once you do that, you just match up the big hole with the big hole. Take your new stainless pin and washer, slide it over top, like so. Line up all the holes, just like that. One more flat washer and locking nut. One end is 13 millimeters and the other is 10. So hopefully you haven't lost your 10 mil lately, because you'll need it. And the idea is just to make them snug. Like so. And nice and fluid. Now, the bronze that we use for these is self-lubricating bearing bronze. So there's no real need to lubricate afterwards. There you go. And now you can reinstall into the car. Simple as that. And if you ever need to remove the door, it makes it pretty easy to remove the door after this as well. You can just put a 10 mil and a 13. Take it off, slide the hinges out. Okay, thanks for watching. These kits are going to be available right away. We'll have them up on the site. Thanks.